Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today will be a vlog. I'm on my way to Eugene to see Layla because my hair needs it. It really needs some maintenance. I haven't had maintenance since December 2020 and it is October 9th, 2021. I had a few appointments that I had to shift around, and Layla has just been really busy this year, and which is great. And so I am on my way to see her finally. I'm very, very excited. So come along with me. Bye. I got my hair maintained. You can tell that less fluffy. It was a great time. It took a little over 2 hours to do all the maintenance and for her to go through all the dreadlocks, but I'm ready to go back home. I have my snacks and my water, and it takes about 2 hours, a little over 2 hours to get home from Eugene. So I will see you when I get back. Hey guys, it's the next day and I just wanted to show you what my hair looks like the day after. I did sleep on it last night. I took some Advil because my hair was pretty tender, but yeah, I just wanted to show you what it looks like. It's kind of frizzy initially, and that's just because all the hairs have been put back into their individual dreadlocks with a crochet needle. I'll show you the back. So if you're unfamiliar with professional maintenance, basically what Layla does is she takes all the loose hairs and crochets them back into the individual locks. She also separates any locks where the hairs have kind of grown into another lock, and so that can be pretty painful to kind of rip the hair away from your scalp and crochet it back into the individual locks. This session only took her a little over 2 hours, and it's probably the quickest maintenance session that I've had to date, which was great in my opinion. It took me longer to drive there and drive back than actually sitting down in the chair to get the maintenance done. But 2 hours was great, and she mentioned that was because as my hair matures, the lock itself is pretty good. She doesn't need to crochet kind of down the length of the lock anymore. She's really just focusing on the scalp, and so that's where new hair has grown out of the scalp and just needs to be crocheted to start the dreading process at the top. So thanks for coming along with me today. Feel free to leave a comment down below about your dreadlock maintenance. How long does it typically take? Does it hurt you? I find mine hurts quite a lot, especially that first night, or that first day and first night. But right now, it doesn't hurt at all. No pain, no issue at all. So it's been less than 24 hours this time, and yeah, feels good. So leave me a comment. Don't forget to subscribe if you're interested in seeing more of my videos, and I will see you next time. Bye.